From New York to Hong Kong, stocks rallied Monday following China's announcement over the weekend that it would allow its currency to trade more flexibly, but still within a narrow band. Analysts welcome the move, saying the yuan, also known as the renminbi or RMB, has been shackled to the U.S. dollar for nearly 2 years. Wang Dao is chief economist with UBS in China.
The timing, I think, at this moment seems pretty good in the sense that China's economy is pretty strong and global recovery is pretty clear despite all the uncertainty related to European debt crisis.
Many average Chinese also welcome the news, saying it will increase their purchasing power.
It will be cheaper for us ordinary people to buy things or travel abroad. Its purchasing power will be strengthened if the RMB appreciates.
As analysts expected, China's yuan exchange rate increased and on Monday hit a 5-year high. Analysts say despite the spike, they expect exchange rate reform to be gradual. Again, Wang Dao.
We think it's going to be a visible, probably, appreciation against the U.S. dollar within the trading band. So the move is really a return to the sort of a managed float.
Zhou Shijian, a senior fellow at the Center for U.S.-China Relations at Tsinghua University, agrees.
The currency reform is to increase the flexibility of the RMB. That doesn't mean a dramatic appreciation.
China's announcement that it's resuming yuan reform comes as economic policymakers from the group of 20 nations representing the world's most important economies head for their summit this weekend in Canada. China's currency policies have been intensely criticized by countries who say the yuan has been undervalued for China's own benefit. John Huntsman, the U.S. ambassador to China, called the move a genuine attempt by China to address its exchange rate mechanism.
I think it takes an irritant off the table in the U.S.-China relationship.
Beijing has long refused to allow its currency to float, but the government now says the yuan's value will rely on a so-called basket of currencies and not just the U.S. dollar. As markets have rallied worldwide, China's move appears to have brought a ripple of hope in what has been a sea of uncertainty. Laurel, Bowman, VOA News, Washington.